So our next problem is find the angle between the line and the plane. So here DRs of line, direction ratios of the line are 2 comma 1 comma minus 2, and here plane equation is given. Here direction ratios of normal to the plane are, so the direction ratios means quotients. Here x quotient is 1, y quotient is 1, there is no z, implies z quotient is 0. Here DRs of normal to the plane. These are direction ratios of the line. Now find, so first find cos theta. Cos theta is, this is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Apply the formula a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square under modulus. So find this. This is 2 into 1 2, 1 into 1 1, minus 2 into 0 0, divided by root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square. Okay, this is 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2 square, 4 plus 1 8, 9, root 9 is, this is root 9, this is root 2, 3 by 3 root 2, here 3 gets cancelled, cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, implies theta is equal to 45 degrees. So here angle between line and plane, so what is, so this angle is actually, so this is the line, so this is the given plane, assume. So I found the angle between the normal and the line and the normal. I found this is the plane, but I need the angle, this angle alpha. So this is normal means it is right angle, so here alpha is equal to 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta is 45 degrees, so that is 45 degrees. Okay, our next problem is find the point of intersection of line x by 1 y minus 1 by 2 z plus 2 by 3 and the plane 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 0. So given line is x by 1 y minus 1 by 2 z plus 2 by 3. Let us take it as t. Now any point on the line is x is equal to t, y is equal to 1 plus 2t, z is equal to minus 2 plus 3t. So any point on the line is t comma 1 plus 2t comma minus 2 plus 3t. So to find the point of intersection, substitute p sub p in the plane equation. Okay, so substitute this in plane equation, that is 2 into t plus 3 into 1 plus 2t plus minus 2 plus 3t is equal to 0. This is 2t plus 3 plus 6t plus, this is minus 2 plus 3t is equal to 0. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 3 minus 2 is 1, implies t is equal to minus 1 by 11. Now substitute this t in the point P, so you will get the point of intersection, that is minus 1 by 11. This is 1 minus 2 by 11, that is 9 by 11 11 minus 2, that is 9 by 11, right? Minus 2 minus 3 by 11, that is minus 25 by 11. Okay. So our next problem is the point at which the line joining the points 2 comma minus 3 comma 1, 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 5 intersects the plane 2x plus y plus z is equal to 7 is. So here 2 points are given, 2 points 2 minus 3 1 and 3 minus 4 minus 5. This is x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. First find the equation of line. Line is formula is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, y minus y2 y1 by y2 minus y1, z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. That is x minus 2 by 3 minus 2 1, y plus 3 by minus 1, z minus 1 by minus 4. So let us take it as t. So this is same as earlier problem. And now find any point. P is, so this is 2 plus t. Okay, this is minus 3 minus t. This is 1 minus 4t. This is any point on the line. Any point on the line. Now substitute this p in the plane equation, that is 2x plus y plus z is equal to 7. 2 into 2 plus t minus 3 minus t plus 1 minus 4t is equal to 7. That is 4 plus 2t minus 3 minus t plus 1 minus 4t is equal to 7. 2 minus 5t, that is minus 3t. 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 3, that is 2, 7. So this is 7 plus 3, 10 minus 5, that is 5, implies t is equal to minus 5 by 3. You know, substitute t value here, you will get the point. That is point P is 2 minus 5 by 3, that is 1 by 3, minus 3 plus 5 by 3, that is minus 4 by 3, 1 plus 20 by 3, that is 23 by 3. This is the point of intersection. The equation of the plane passing through origin and perpendicular to the line x is equal to 2y is equal to 3z is. This is the next problem. So here passing through origin means plane passing through origin, so implies constant term is equal to 0. Constant term is 0. So our plane equation will be, plane is ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0. Now it is perpendicular to this line. Perpendicular means here given line is x by 1. So this is 2y means y by 1 by 2. This is 3z means z by 1 by 3. So this line is normal to the plane, normal to the plane. So it's drs are a comma b comma c are 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Okay, so this is normal, means we can substitute these drs in the plane equation, that is 1 into x, b is 1 by 2 into y, c is 1 by 3 into z is equal to 0. Now take LCM, 6x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0 is the required plane equation. So our next problem is find the equation of the plane containing the lines x minus 4 by 1 is equal to y minus 3 by 1 is equal to z minus 2 by 2, comma x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 2 by minus 4 is equal to z by 5. So here, so these two lines are in the plane, so means, so if this is the plane and this is the normal, so these are normal drs. Let us assume a comma b comma c are drs of normal. So these two lines will be perpendicular to normal. So a b c, so drs of first line 1 1 2. So here perpendicular means a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Apply the condition here, a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0. This is one. Similarly, these are drs of normal, and drs of second line is 1 minus 4 5. Here also apply the perpendicular condition, plus a minus 4b plus 5c is equal to 0. Now solve 1 and 2. That is a b c 1 2 1 1, and this is minus 4 5 1 minus 4. Now cross multiply, a by 5 plus 8, b by 2 minus 5, c by minus 4 minus 1, a by 13, b by minus 3, c by minus 5. These are the drs. So now equation of plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. So in place of a you can substitute 13 and x minus x1. So x1 y1 z1 means here we have two lines. So two lines we have. So these two lines passes through the points here. Observe 4 3 2, that is 1 point, and this is 3 2, here there is no term, so 0 3 2 0. Those are 2 points. You can take any of those 2 points. One is 4 3 2, another point is 3 2 0. So, okay, so you can take any of the 2 points, you will get the same answer. I am taking the second point, that is 3, and b is minus 3, y minus 2, here c is minus 5, z minus 0. Now simplify, 13x minus 3y minus 5z, this is 39 plus 6 minus 33 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the plane. Next, find the equation of the plane which bisects the line joining the points -1, 2, 3, 3, -5, 6 at right angle is. So here these are the 2 points. This is the line -1, 2, 3. This is A, this is B, 3, -5, 6. So the plane bisects at right angle. So first find the midpoint. Midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. So that is equal to -1 plus 3 by 2, 2 minus 5 by 2, 3 plus 6 by 2. Okay, this is 2 by 2 is 1, this is -3 by 2, this is 9 by 2. Now this is the point, and here AB will be the line AB is normal to the plane, implies drs of AB are formula is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So that is 3 minus of minus, 3 plus 1, -5 minus 2, 6 minus 3, that is 4 minus 7, 3. These are drs of normal. This is the point. So equation of plane is use the point drs formula, a into x minus x1, b into b is -7, y minus of -3 by 2, plus c into z minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. That is the required plane. Find the ratio in which the line joining the points a comma b comma c minus a minus c minus b is divided by xy plane is. So here xy plane asked, so the required ratio is minus z1 is to z2, direct formula. So here z1 means this point, minus c is to here z2 means this point, that is minus minus gets cancelled, that is c is to b. Next problem, find the coordinates of the point which the line passes through, or line through the points p3 comma 4 comma 1, q 5 comma 1 comma 6 meets xy plane. So here xy plane means in xy plane z is equal to 0 we take. So let us assume that this is P341, this is Q516. The ratio is lambda is to 1. Let us take, and the point let us assume R x y z. Okay, now R is equal to, apply the section formula here, 5 lambda plus 3 by lambda plus 1. Next lambda plus 4 by lambda plus 1. Next lambda into 6 lambda plus 1 into 1 by lambda plus 1. This is the section formula I applied. This is R is the point of contact, that is xyz, but here we know that z is equal to 0, implies z coordinate is 6 lambda plus 1 by lambda plus 1 is equal to 0, implies this is 6 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0, implies lambda is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now substitute the lambda in this, we will get the point. Required point R is, that is 5 by 6. Similarly, minus 1 by 6 plus 4 by minus 1 by 6 plus 1. Here this is 0. So here 6 3s are 18 minus 5, that is 13. 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay, so this is 6 4s are 24, that is 23 by 6 minus 1, 5. So the point where the required line PQ meets the xy plane is 13 by 5, 25 by 23 by 5, comma 0.